Good morning, everyone. Let's move on to class. So, today we are going to start AWS. Okay. So, as of now, right? You know what is repository? What is repository? And can you see my screen? And what is build tool? And with the help of build tool, what we can do? And right? Few tools already know. Next, so repository, git how to create a repository and all. And the same way, so how to build the tools and all. Linux also completed or not?
Completed.
Completed, okay. So now today we'll see, so cloud. So usually, can you see my screen? Visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, visible.
Visible.
Okay. Suppose, so I want to create one mission, guys. So in real time, so there is on-premises servers. In interview also, most of the people they are asking, so on-premises servers. So on-premises means so they are maintaining servers physically in their right location. On-premise premises on-premises premises servers. Okay, so on-premises servers mostly interview right real time they are maintaining two ways on-premises. Where is that? On-premises servers. See here, they are asking one or two guys mostly on-premises. On-premises and cloud. There is two ways we are maintaining nowadays. Earlier, mostly we are maintaining so on-premises servers. So on-premises software requires an enterprise purchases license and copy of the software used to it. They are maintaining physically. Simply, if you want to understand, so we want one server. We want one server configuration. That is nothing but one instance. If you want to deploy any application, what is the basic requirement? Anyone? For example, I have an application, whether it is Java or .NET or Salesforce or any type of application. Okay. So what you need to do as of now, you understand, based on your understand, so what are the requirements we need? I want to deploy my application. So directly we can deploy or we need some setup. Hmm? Anyone?
Need some sort.
For example,
Need
I
some
want to
RAM, ROM,
uh,
and specific
see, for
volume.
example, Java application. Java application. So Java application means so based on this application bandwidth and how many users use this accessing this application, and based on this we need some configuration, right? First one instance. First we need one instance, right? Instance is nothing but one operating system. Mostly in real time we are using servers. Mostly in older days mostly we are maintaining servers. And so nowadays clouds are available. Now we are move on to clouds. Servers means whether it is Windows server or Linux server or JBoss server. There we have many servers available in real time market, and we can use any server. Right? So how to deploy, for example, Tomcat server, Windows server, or Windows Mission, Windows OS, or Linux or Mac OS. Real time we are using this many. Nowadays, right, few people are accessing our application Windows, few people are they are accessing our application Linux, and few people they are accessing our application Mac OS. So that is the reason testing also we are testing parallelly, so different so flavors also. So just remember, and so every application we are going to testing, multiple operating systems. Right? So few people maybe Windows they are accessing, and same functionality we need to work in Linux also. Same functionality you need to work with Mac also. Now, and here we are going to configure some servers, and we are going to application, and before that we need some configuration, right? This server, yes or no? manual they are buying some servers. For example, so they are going to, for example, my company, they are going to deploy 5 applications. So they need some high configuration, right? So how much RAM and what is hard disk, and so what is the processor? You got it? అర్థమవుతుందా? We need some configuration, right? Suppose
Yes,
I
sir.
have 4 GB RAM, 16 GB, and I deployed multiple applications. I configure multiple servers. Maybe it won't work. So only one application it can handle. Suppose if you deploy multiple servers, it will multiple applications, multiple servers configuration. Maybe it goes down. Maybe it goes down. Now, so these are the on-premises we are maintaining. Nowadays, most of the people they are not maintaining this, and also we want to deploy only. I need this server only 6 months, guys. This is main thing here. Just assume only 6 months. I need this configuration only 6 months. So 6 months at least. So the company need to spend 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs rupees, right? High configuration. You understand, right? So only they want this server, this much high configuration server, and so they need only 6 months. Only we need 6 months. So that is waste, right? After 6 months they don't want really, or else they want to test it. We need to spend a lot of money, right? Just try to understand. So if they buy the one server, for example, 3 lakhs they spend this server, and only 6 months. That is waste of money waste, right? So nowadays, simply how we can understand, for example, uh, now if you go here, cloud. So cloud means we are accessing this and all. We are accessing via physical machine only. We are maintaining internet. And one more thing we need to understand: if you want to maintain this server, you need one space, right? Yes or no? Space. Next, what you need if you want to maintain server? Anyone? నేను ఒక సర్వర్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి రియల్ టైంలో. సో ఆ సర్వర్కి ఒక స్పేస్ ఉండాలనా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? బేసిక్
Yes, sir. Missions.
మిషన్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ ఉండాలనా? నెక్స్ట్ దానికి కావాల్సిన ఏసీ ఉండాలి, పవర్ ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఇన్ ఇట్? Basically, if you want to maintain one server physically, I want to maintain one server. Anyone? What missing? So one resource also need, right? So monitoring purpose, whether it is working or not. You got it? Monitoring space ఉండాలి, పవర్ ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేం ఉండాలి దానికి? మానిటరింగ్ వన్ రిసోర్స్ ఉండాలి. వీ నీడ్ టు స్పెండ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ మనీ, రైట్? అర్థమవుతుందా? But nowadays many people, so there is many clouds available. Cloud means we are accessing via internet. We are developing only via through internet, and so accessing, developing, deploy also via internet. So these people they are maintaining like third party, like hotel. Suppose I need lunch. మీకు లంచ్ కావాలంటే ఏం చేస్తారు? ఓన్లీ వన్ గై 1 day ఆర్ 2 days లంచ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. హౌ? వాట్స్ ద ప్రాసెస్ యు ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్? ఇప్పుడు మనకు లంచ్ కావాలి, ఒక ఇద్దరు వచ్చారు మా రూమ్లోకి. సో 2 persons మనకు 2 days అరేంజ్ చేయాలి. ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేస్తారా? హలో, ఫస్ట్ మన లంచ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలంటే ఏముండాలి? ఐటమ్స్ ఉండాలి కదా. గ్యాస్ ఉండాలి, స్టవ్ ఉండాలి, దానికి సంబంధించిన ఐటమ్స్ ఉండాలి. సో అలానే ఇవన్నీ మనం బై చేస్తామా 2 daysకి?
No,
నో, రైట్?
no.
No, sir. No, sir.
So what we need to do? There is many hotels available, restaurants, hotels. just who are go and buy and just leave it. That's it, right? Same strategy real time we are also following. So cloud మీకు సర్వర్స్ కాన్ఫిగర్ చేయాలన్నా అప్లికేషన్ డిప్లాయ్ చేయాలన్నా ఓల్డర్ డేస్లో ఏం చేయాలి, మనం ఫిజికల్గా మెయింటైన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఎవ్రీథింగ్. అంటే ఒక సర్వర్ అంటే ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అనేది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. సో వాట్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్, దే ఆర్ బయింగ్ వన్ సర్వర్, దే ఆర్ బయింగ్ వన్ ఫిజికల్ మిషన్, అండ్ సో ఫర్ మానిటరింగ్ పర్పస్ వన్ రిసోర్స్, and for this mission if you want to maintain these servers we need some requirements, right? These are the money waste, time waste, the lot of things we need to spend here. So nowadays there is a cloud. In interview also most of the people they are asking which cloud we are using. So there is many clouds available in market. So there are many clouds in available in market. So that are the these are the clouds like hotel. You can easily understand. If you go hotel, what are the advantages? Suppose if you manually prepare something, and what you need, what are the items you need, what you need to do. Okay, now if you go to here, these are the cloud guys, cloud. So AWS is the one of the topmost cloud computing, and the same way Microsoft, and the same way Google Cloud, GCP, Google Cloud. Next AWS, Microsoft, Microsoft, and GCP, Google Cloud. Next, mostly we are using Alibaba. There is many cloud. There is one more. Mostly we are using this one only. Cloud type, cloud service providers. List. Now see here. So these many people they are major. So majorly we are using so AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, Red Hat Cloud. So these are the cloud. We can use anyone. There is no restrictions. We can use anyone. There is no restrictions. We can use anyone. No restrictions. So the first one is Amazon Web Services. Mostly real time. So mostly people are using Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Microsoft Azure, and so Google Cloud, that is GCP, or we can use Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud, Alibaba Cloud. See here, these are the types of clouds. How many hotels right? If you go anywhere, we can see many hotels, but every hotel they are providing same thing only, food only, right? What you need. Now got it. Same way. So these are the different types of providers. These are the different types of providers. These many people they are providing some services, and with the help of your services we can use it. What service you need? So what service you need? I hope you got it right. So these are the types. Whether we can learn Google Cloud or whether we can learn IBM Cloud, but in this organization mostly they are stick on particular cloud. They are not going to use all clouds. For example, this is my organization, ABC organization. They are not going to use all right, all clouds. Mostly they stick on particular cloud only, whether AWS cloud or GCP cloud or Microsoft Azure or IBM cloud. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? These are the so many providers. These are the many providers, and based on that is client requirement. Based on client requirement, this and all decided by right, client is our god, right? So they are giving the money, correct? Okay, what they want. So based on their project, what is suitable, which cloud they are suitable, and they will select. Client is the client, right? So based on client requirement. So already there is many people involved in real time. So many people involved in real time. So if simply understand, so we are the developer, right? For example, dear, you are the you are the so DevOps guy. Okay, directly you won't decide which cloud we need, And so just assume you are the developer, DevOps are and developers also. Developer testers, many people working, right? So first we are top, we are in so bottom or uh, first I am giving top. So developers or DevOps guys. Many people so involving mostly based on we are deciding and in on top of so we can see right team leads, correct. Simply we are calling TL. Simply we are calling TL. Next on top of managers. Okay, on top of managers. Next delivery manager. This is the hierarchy. This is the నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఏమంటారు అసిస్టెంట్ డెలివరీ మేనేజర్ ఉంటాడు డిఎం. నెక్స్ట్ వీడి కింద వీడి విపి. సో దే ఆర్ డిసైడింగ్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీవన్ ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అ న్యూ ప్రాజెక్ట్ సో డైరెక్ట్లీ వీ వోంట్ డిసైడ్. ఇప్పుడు నేను డెవాప్స్ ఇంజనీర్ నేను ఒకటే డిసైడ్ చేసేయలేను. సో దర్ ఈజ్ వన్ న్యూ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అండ్ దే ఆస్క్ లైక్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ సో విచ్ క్లౌడ్ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ అవర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. And before deciding this cloud and all we need to know something, right? That client, what product they are using, which technology they are using, and what are the service suitable for this project. We need to right, clarify this all these things, right? You got it. So ఇవన్నీ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, మేనేజరు టీమ్ లీడు డెలివరీ మేనేజరు. సో వీఆర్ డిసైడింగ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. సో దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ ఆల్సో డెవలపర్ ఆల్సో దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ఫర్ దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్, వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ థాట్స్. They are also if you have any suggestions, if you have any thoughts, and so what is so advantage here, what is disadvantage, why you go for Google Cloud, what is advantage compared to. So if you have something we can also highlight, and based on this so they are going to select that particular cloud. I hope you got it right. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt as of now? Hello. So these are the real time we are following some process, but if you join any company we can understand all these things. But if you don't know, just try to remember this name income. This is the hierarchy. In real time we are following మనకు డెవలపర్స్ టెస్టర్స్ డెవాప్స్ ఇంజనీర్స్. మనల్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తే మనకు ఒక టీమ్ లీడ్ ఉంటాడు. సో వాళ్ళని హ్యాండిల్ చేసేది ఒక మేనేజర్స్ ఉంటాడు. వీడి పైన ఒక డెలివరీ మేనేజరు, అసిస్టెంట్ డెలివరీ మేనేజరు, నెక్స్ట్ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద హైరార్కీ వీఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్. బట్ సో బిఫోర్ డిసైడింగ్, బిఫోర్ సెలెక్టింగ్ ఎనీ క్లౌడ్ మనం ఒక్కరే సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోలేం. సో just they are asking team also, and we are giving some suggestions, we are giving some thoughts, and based on this finally so we are going to select any one cloud, any one cloud, any one cloud. So based on this now let's move on to what is cloud and what is advanced. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Yes or no? Hello, invest on that.
Yes, sir. Ah, yes, sir.
Okay, just give response. Now go to here. Now cloud. So simply cloud means just what is what. Now mostly here we are going to learn. So what is AWS cloud? So here AWS is nothing but this is right, Amazon Web Services. So these all are the cloud only guys. Don't confuse here. AWS also one cloud, Microsoft Azure also one cloud, Google Cloud, Google also one, GCP also one cloud, IBM cloud, and Oracle cloud, Alibaba cloud. These are the different types of clouds. What these people they are doing? These people they are providing many services. మన హోటల్కి వెళ్తే ఏం చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు? హౌ మెనీ సర్వీసెస్ దే ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్? ఓన్లీ ఫుడ్ ఇటే ఇస్తారా? ఒక హోటల్కి వెళ్ళాం అనుకో, ఒక బిగ్ 5 స్టార్ హోటల్కి అన్ని ఐటమ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. వాట్ వీ నీడ్, మనకి ఏం కావాలనో లంచ్ ఉంటుంది, స్నాక్స్ ఉంటాయి, సో ఐస్ క్రీమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, వాట్ యూ నీడ్. సో దీస్ అండ్ ఆల్ సో దీస్ పీపుల్ దే ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ రైట్ హోటల్. సేమ్ వే we need many services, that services all these people they have. They have many services. Basically, what we need, so that and all we are asking and we are buying only that services. No need to buy all these things. మన హోటల్కి వెళ్తే అన్నీ కొనేస్తామా? నో రైట్. వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్? మనకి ఏం కావాలి ఆ ఐటెంలో మనం బై చేస్తాం. సేమ్ వే, సో ఇఫ్ యూ గో హియర్, these people they are providing many services. Nearly if you come to AWS people, and these people nearly they are providing so 200 plus services. Nearly they are providing so 200 plus services, correct? 200 plus services. And so really do you need all services? No, right? అన్ని సర్వీసులు మనం వాడతామా? As a DevOps engineer,
No.
we are going to use some services. As a developer, they need some services. As a tester, they need some services. As an admin, they need some services. Now got it? So like this only. So these people they are providing 200 plus services. But so really we are not going to use all services. And based on our requirement, we are going to select that particular services. But we need to pay some amount. We need to pay some amount. Okay, we'll see that and all slowly one by one. Now see here, what is AWS? AWS means Amazon Web Services. So this is the world most largest comprehensive and broadly adapted cloud platform. So this is the one type of cloud platform. So Amazon is the one type of cloud platform, and so worldwide they are occupying, they are giving a lot of services, and with the help of service we are going to use. See here, millions of customers, including a fast a startup, largest enterprise, leading governments, in all sectors, mostly we are using cloud only nowadays. If you go banking sectors, they are using cloud. And if you go financial sector, nowadays they are maintaining physically on premises servers, physically they are maintaining offices and all. Now these people they are maintaining somewhere, and so we are paying some amount, and we are using that services. That's it. See here. So what is AWS? AWS is the world most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform. All are same guys, same like AWS only. They are offering many services. See here, these people they are offering many services, and so with the help of services we are so they are providing for small and large enterprises, and so government sectors, and some services costless, low cost, some services high cost, some services free only. So that is based on requirement we can use. Based on requirement we can use. Based on requirement we can use. Now if you go here we'll see. Now these people also they are maintaining some regions, some availability zones, like that. Even if you search in Google, and so these are the AWS infrastructures. Infrastructure means and these people they are maintaining somewhere. మనకి ఎక్కడెక్కడ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నారు ఈ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ని, మనం ఎలా బై చేసుకోవాలి. సో దీస్ అండ్ ఆల్ వీ కెన్ సీ సమ్వేర్. సీ హియర్ దర్ ఈజ్ ఎ రీజియన్స్. సో నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ గో హియర్ AWS regions, if you type in Google AWS regions, if you click and see global infrastructure regions and availability zones. So anyway, slowly we can understand. First see here how it will work means so these are the regions. So these are the official document, everything they are providing here only. Now if you go here one back, there gives images. Now see here, if you click on here, where is that image? You can see wait. So this is guys. Now I hope you can see right. These are the regions. Now see here, there is many continents, right? So Asia, North America, South America. So these are the regions. See here, regions and availability zones. Now if you go here, India, right? India comes to which continent? India comes under which continent?
Asia.
Asia, right? Asia
Yes.
continent. Now see here. If you see here we can see two. I don't know. It is not. enlarge same diagram here only. Here also we can see same diagram. Here also we can see same diagram. And so India also we can see two. So these are the so this they are maintaining so two regions, and these are the coming soon. Actually earlier Mumbai we have one region, and so now they implemented one more region, which where they established. Anyone any idea?
Hyder-
Hmm?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. So this is
Hyderabad.
the Hyderabad. Okay. So this is the Hyderabad, and so earlier this is Mumbai. Now India also we have two regions, Mumbai region, Hyderabad region also. So these are the North America. So North America, how many regions? This is the world only. But if you see new, there we can see many. See here, these are the see here already how many they are meaning 4 plus 3 7. But if you see in this diagram, already is a mostly this is update, right? Now see here North America, South America, where how many zones available, we can check it here if we want to know what are. Now we'll see one by one what is regional. See here now, so these are the where that regions available, what are the zones available and all this and all. Now see here what is region and what is availability zone. In the intro also people are asking, region is nothing but see here AWS has the concept region, which is physical location. Simply region is nothing but physical location. In India we have two regions, right? One is Mumbai and other one is Hyderabad. These are the regions. So we can select any one region, whether if you want to create infrastructure, Mumbai region, or whether we need infrastructure, Hyderabad region. Wherever you want, we can select it. See here, this is the physical location. AWS has a region. Region is nothing but physical location around the world where they cluster data is centers. They are maintaining some services, right? And they are maintaining some servers. So where these servers, where this cluster centers, they are maintaining, that is nothing but a region. And every region we have some availability zones. Availability zones is nothing but data centers. Now see here, they call each group of logical data centers is nothing but availability zones. Availability zones. Each AWS region consists of multiple isolated physical availability zones within the geographical locations. They are maintaining some locations, and so that and all that servers, right? Now, what is availability zones? Here also we can see availability zones means AWS availability zones. Okay, if we click here, they are maintaining like this. Servers only. They are maintaining multiple servers like this. Where is correct one? Mm. If you see here, they are maintaining like availability zones. Now see here, if you go here, if you select image, we can say image only, right? So like this, see here, so they are maintaining availability zones. Availability region means one location. Under the region, so we are maintaining multiple availability zones. అంటే మన సర్వర్స్ కావాలి కదా, సర్వర్స్. ఆ సర్వర్స్ మొత్తాన్ని మనం ఇక్కడ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఆ మల్టిపుల్ సో మనకి రైట్ సర్వర్స్ మల్టిపుల్ జోన్స్ దే ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్, and each zone they are maintaining some servers, and within that particular zone we are going to select our servers where we want to configure, where we want to run and all. So these are the some basic how we can understand and all. If you want to understand we can. So AWS availability zones list also we can see, there is many list available. Global infrastructure, this is the official document. Already AWS people they are providing everything, and so with the help of we can see. Now see here, this is the zones, this is the one region, this is the AWS official document. So this is the official document. Now see here, this is the region. Region is nothing but one location, right? Physical location. Region is nothing but one physical location. Under physical location, they are maintaining multiple zones. This is one availability zone. Now just assume this is the India region. This is the India. This is the India. Just is the Mumbai region or Hyderabad region. In Mumbai, they are maintaining multiple availability zones. See here, one availability zone, another availability zone. Like this, they are maintaining many availability zones. I hope you got it right. Anyone, any doubt? See, each AWS region is designed to isolated from the other AWS region, and so this is the region. Now here also we can see. Now see here US East, North Virginia, and same here we can see Mumbai. Mumbai means so what is that code? AP, right? AP.
AP South one.
AP means not Andhra Pradesh. What is AP? Anyone? AP means Andhra Pradesh కాదు ఇక్కడ.
Asia Pacific.
Asia Pacific. That is the code they given. See here, US East to and same way AP. AP hyphen. Okay, now see here AP East, Asia Pacific. Okay, now we can see here. This is the Asia Pacific, and so AP East one, and so AP South two also. AP East, AP South, Asia Pacific. This is the Hyderabad. This is the Hyderabad. So this is the Mumbai. Mumbai. Where is Mumbai? Mumbai also we can see. This is right Hyderabad. AP South two Hyderabad. AP South one. AP South hyphen one. So this is the Mumbai. See here. AP means Mumbai. This is also. So these are the names they given, and we can understand easily. We can understand easily. Okay. So this is the clear. Now see here, like this region means this is the one physical location. Under region, so they are maintaining multiple availability zones. Availability zones means they are maintaining some servers. They are maintaining some infrastructure. I need server, right? I need server. If we need server, if we need server, if we need so server, we need some physical components, right? That and all they are maintaining here. That and all so they are maintaining here. One second. Okay. So anyone any doubt as of now? So what is region? Region is nothing but a physical location. A region is nothing but physical location. See here, region is nothing but so which is physical location. And availability zone. Availability zone is nothing but right, they are maintaining some servers architecture. Each region consists of multiple isolated available regions. That is AZ is nothing but availability zones. And in that zones they are maintaining that servers and all. In the zones they are maintaining some servers and all. They are maintaining so some servers and all. So anyway, coming classes we can understand all these things. What is region, availability zone? These are the regions, guys. So these are the regions, and every region there is multiple availability zones, and each availability zones. So we can select where you want. So when you create a DB instance or when you create any instance, you can choose availability zone, or we can so where you want to select from that. An availability zone is represented by the AWS region code followed by the letter identification like this US East 1A. Now AP East 1, AP South 2, right? So they are giving some right letter identification. They are giving some regional code. They are giving some regional code, whatever we discuss, right? Regional code. So that and all based on this we can select where you want, where you want. So where you want. Now see here there is zones also available. Local zones. A local zones is the extension of AWS region that is geographically so close to your users, and we can give some network. They are giving some network, right? We can extend VPC. VPC means virtual private cloud. That is IPs, how to configure VPC, how to configure subnets, how to give IP range. So that and a different story we'll see. Hello. So I hope you got some idea, right? Now these are the some major, mostly interview also they are asking what is region, and so what is availability zone, what is region, and what is availability zone. And region is nothing but physical location. Availability zones means they are maintaining some infrastructures, that servers and all. And based on this, we are going to select. We are going to select. We are going to select. So, and these people they are providing many services. And these people they are providing many services. And what are those services? See here, I am identity. I need some users, right? I need some users. I need some users. That is one service. I am, so that is the identity and access management service, and they are giving EC2. This is most very important. What is EC2? This is the elastic cloud compute cloud. So this is nothing but instance. What type of instance you want, and so how to create these instances and all. And there is many types also available. If you while creating instance, what is the RAM, what is the CPU, what is the processor, and how much capacity you want. So that and all we are selecting under this. This is very important. Okay, EC2. In interview also most of the people, so they are asking one question. So what type of EC2 you are using, what is the type of we are using. So we are by practice purpose we are using so a low cost only, but real time we are using there is a high level. So I will show while creating. See here, these are the types of instances. See here, instance type selections. So generally, if you want to create any server, we are selecting some RAM, we are selecting a hard disk, we are selecting space, right, processor and all, right. This is a manually. This is a physical server we are buying, right. Same way, while creating EC2, while creating instance, while creating EC2. So what type of instance you want? These are these people they are providing many types. Okay, see here. So the based on need, one should select the instance type and size such as general purpose and also compute optimized purpose C5, C4, C3. For memory purpose also we can select X1, R4, R3, and so accelerated computing. We can select this type and storage we can use I3, and so these are the types. We can select anyone. See here, for network purpose and storage selection, what type of storage you want, whether you want what type of, and also network VPC, and also cost optimization. This is also important. So cost optimization means based on your usage we need to pay some amount, right. Same way, based on usage, I need this much configuration, and so how many days, how many months, or how many years we are going to select. So this and all, so they will AWS people they are providing some quotation. If you go right to hotel, they are giving one right quotation, right. What are the items available and what is the each item cost, how what which one you want. Like same way, if you contact AWS people, or if you contact Microsoft Azure people, or if you contact Google people, that is support their people, and they are giving some quotation. So what are the services, free services, and what are the paid services, which service we need, and so how many days or how many hours or how many months, this and all need, right. I need server, మన సర్వర్ కావాలి. ఆ సర్వర్ ఎన్ని రోజులు కావాలి, హౌ మెనీ డేస్ వి నీడ్, ఓన్లీ 1 month ఆర్ ఓన్లీ 15 days ఆర్ ఓన్లీ 1 day ఆర్ ఓన్లీ 6 months, వి నీడ్ రైట్ సమ్ క్లారిఫికేషన్. అర్థమవుతుందా. I need one server that is only 3 months. I need server that is only 3 months for testing my application, for test my application. If you want to test application physically, if you want to buy any server, you need to pay some amount, right. Some lakhs of rupees you need to spend. Instead of spend lakhs, simply we are go AWS people and we are asking, hey, I need one server, and that server duration I need only 3 months. After 3 months I don't want. So now I am going to use some services. What are the services? Services ఎలా కావాలి, ఏ సర్వీసులు యూస్ చేయాలి. So that and all they are giving some list, and so what is the cost, which service, and they are giving everything, they are giving some quotations, and based on this after 3 months no need to pay anything. After 3 months, no need to pay anything. Just use and throw. Simply, if you want to understand, use and throw. Simply. If you want, we can buy, use it. If you don't want, just delete it. Just if you contact that people, they are they are removing that service and all. That's it. Very simple. Clear, guys? Anyone, any doubt here? So mostly we are using
No.
EC2. Mostly we are using EC2, Elastic, Compute Cloud. This is nothing but మన operating system అంటాం కదా. EC2 is nothing but operating system. Simply if you want to understand operating system, OS. OS is nothing but operating system, right? So what type of operating system? If you want to create any operating system, we need some basic requirement. We need some basic requirement. We need some basic requirement. So that and all. So we are going to select. So that is the reason we go for so cloud. But we can select any cloud, guys. But mostly we are going to learn here AWS cloud. Here AWS cloud. Just I will show next class. I will show you how to create this EC2 and all, and how to use this instance and all. I will check it. Now this is the official website. See here AWS console. If you type AWS console, if you type AWS console, if you click on like this, it will come. Now see here, this is the official website, and this is the UI screen. And if you want to log in, there is a sign in button. There is a sign in. Already if you have account, we can log in. Next class I will show you how to create account in AWS, and so how to use it. How to use it. So now see here, here we can see two types of users. Here we can see two types of user. One is a root user, and the second one is IAM user. One is root user, and the second one is IAM user. But anyway, right now I am using root user only, and we'll see. I need some bear. Now see here, once you log in, so this is the console, guys. So now like this we can see. Like this we can see. Now this is the services. This is the global service. If you click on here, right, nine dot dot dots. If you click on here, so these people they are providing many services. These people they are providing many services. These are the services. Anyway, if already you know, okay. If a few people new to AWS, right? So these are the services. Many services these people providing, and which service you need. So that and all we can search here. This is the global search. So this is the global search. Now see here, this is the your username. Which user you logged in? This is your account ID. This is your account ID. This is the account ID, and so that and all we can see. And this is the region. Now see here, already we seen, right? AP South, Mumbai. See here, Asia Pacific, Mumbai. AP hyphen South 1, and same way. And so next Hyderabad also, right? Now they added or not? Now we can use this at the, so as of now we can select anyone which are needed, so we can select anyone. So these are the US, these are the US, and US Virgin. These are the US East 1, US East 2, US West 1, US West 2. See here in US, how many regions available, guys? How many regions? If you paid, so they will give extra options also. Now we are using some free tail account, right? We can see four. And if we come to India, India means AC, AP, Asia Pacific. Now we can see only one region, AP South 1. This is the Mumbai region. So this is the Mumbai region. Okay, same way. And so we can see Hyderabad also. But we are using so normal account, right? So only limited it will display, and real time it will display all regions, all availability zones, that and all we can see. So this is the services. This is if you want to search any service. If you want to search any service, this is the global search. And so if you click on here, so here also we can search. This is the left side panel, and whatever you want we can. For example, I need EC2. If you search here EC2, so if you search here, they are giving, see here, EC2, so virtual servers in the cloud. So EC2 is nothing but elastic cloud compute, right? Elastic what is this? Elastic compute cloud, right? So this is IAM. See here, elastic compute cloud. This is the Amazon EC2. This is the one web service providing secure, resizable. And I want to create one server. If you want to create, simply they given, see here, virtual servers. Virtual means virtual. What is virtual? I need to create one server. Physical server, virtual server. There are two types, right? We know some idea. Machfinara. Physical servers, virtual servers. You know, right? VM missions, VM. We know operating systems, physical missions. Hmm? Same way,
Yes,
virtual
sir.
servers. Which servers? What type of server you need? If you click on EC2, if you click on EC2, and see here, these people they are providing some. See, if you click on, so this is the front end page. See here, how many instances? Instance is nothing but operating systems, guys. Instance is nothing but operating systems. How many instances? And so how many volumes? And what is load balancer? We'll see coming classes. This see, just focus on instances. Right now I don't have anything. Now see here instances. If you see instance left side and instance type and launch template, and there is some options available. If you click on instance type, now see here, if you click on instance type, what type of instance you want, so that and all, so here we can select, see here interval. So most of the people they are asking, so this one, what are the instance type? So instance type, so t1 dot, t2 dot nano, t2 dot micro. See here, one CPU, memory 1 GB, and interval. Also 99% they are asking this question. So what is your instance type? Don't tell t2 micro we are using, and t2 small. In real time we never ever go to use this one. So this 1 GB 1 memory, right? Mostly we are using, so this range, C5 range, C5. If you go here, C5, how many CPUs? Now see here, C5, C7, C5 to see here, C5 dot 2x large. How many CPUs? 8 CPUs. What is the memory? We have to say this range only. అర్థమవుతుందా? C5x, C5 4x large. If anyone asking in interview, so what is your instance type? AWS instance type. So we need to say this range only. Okay, don't tell T2 micro, T2 nano. That is only for practice purpose. That is only for practice purpose. But real time we are using only this range, 16 CPUs, and what is the RAM and what is the architects. We are selecting this range real time. But practice purpose, 900% we are using this range only. T2 small, T2 medium, T2 large, 2 CPUs, 8 GB. We are using mostly small. We are using only mostly this one, right? Small only. So this is very very important question. Interview also most of the people they are asking this question only. So don't tell this range. Don't tell this range. T2 micro, nano and all. This is only for practice purpose. Real time we are using C5, C5 4x large, and they can easily understand how many CPUs in our server. 16. What is the memory? What is the memory? 32 GB. Now this we need to tell this range. Okay, but anyway they won't see, right? వాళ్ళు వచ్చి మన మిషన్ ఏమి చెక్ చేయరు, మీరు నిజంగా ఇది వాడుతున్నారా లేదని. జస్ట్ సే దిస్ రేంజ్ ఓన్లీ. దీంట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పండి మీ ఇష్టం. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దిస్, ఇక్కడ ఇంకా చాలా ఉంటాయి మనకి. వీ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ ఎనీ వన్ టైప్, ఎనీ వన్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ టైప్. ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్ రైట్. ఎనీ వన్ ఎనీ డౌట్ హియర్? జస్ట్ వీఆర్ సెలెక్టింగ్ సైజ్ ఓన్లీ. మాన్యువల్గా అయితే మనం ఏం చేస్తుంటాం, ర్యామ్, హార్డ్ డిస్క్, ప్రాసెసర్ వీఆర్ సెలెక్టింగ్, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు నా మిషన్కి వచ్చిన అనుకో, దిస్ ఇస్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ విండోస్ సర్వర్. If you go here, if you go here, and if you go here, if I click on what is this properties, now see here, this is my instance. What is that? See here, my what is this, RAM, 16 GB RAM, my mission. And so I am using so i5 processor, i5 processor, i5 processor 12th generation, and memory and hard. This is This configuration my local machine, physical server, right? And same way, if you want to create any instance in AWS, we are going to select type also. Which type, what is the memory size you want, what is the processor size you want. So that and all we are selecting under this section, and these are the instances. Instance means, right? So how many instances already they are using, so what type of instance and all. So next class I will show you this, all these options, what are the instance types, and and these options, whatever we discussed as of now, this and all we can see it. I hope you got some idea, right? Anyone any doubt, guys, as of now? Hello? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Yes,
No
no
Okay,
doubts.
doubts.
guys. Okay. So in this section, today's section, so mostly interview they are asking this one only, instance type. Don't tell this range. Don't tell this range. ఈ range లో చెప్పొద్దండి. At least we need to give, we can give any range. అది ఎవరు మనకు చెక్ చేయరు. We can say this range, anyone. That is based on our requirement. We are going to select any one instance type. C5, C5, extra large, whatever you want. See here. But these are the, we need to pay amount. We need to pay amount, right? But real time anyway, we are buying and we are selecting this range only. Okay. How many CPUs you want? What is the memory? That and all we are selecting. Okay. So next class I will show you how to create a AWS account and how to create one instance.